Right, everyone. So in our previous class, I have given you a homework, assignment 24, page number 28. I hope all of you have completed your homework. Page number 28. Done?
Done.
Okay, very good. Page number 28, I have given as homework. So we'll start our class with page number 29. I want all of you to take out page number 29. Keep your pencil with you. Page number 29, everyone. Here we have some figures. So alphabet order is the answer part and numericals are the question part. Here we have given two shapes in each figure and we have to identify which is the correct match, right? तो as न्यूमेरिकल्स में 1 to 8 में जो शेप्स हैं वो अलग अलग हैं और उनका ही कॉम्बिनेशन इज इन अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. ओके, तो यहाँ पर जो दो शेप्स हैं उनका कॉम्बिनेशन यहाँ पर किया हुआ है. You just need to look at the shape and identify which is the correct match. And answer will write down here in this portion. Okay, let's start. The first one, here blue color square and red circle is there. So the correct match, the correct combination of circle and square. Which one is the correct answer? For number 1, it's A. A or G, anyone you can write because both are same only. A and G both are same only, so you can write A or G, anyone. Okay, now number 2, red diamond shape and purple circle is there. So where is the combination of purple and red? Can any one of you tell answer for second one? You can speak also, Dvish. Correct answer for second figure?
Second is match with edge figure.
Yes, edge. Second, match with edge. So write down edge here.
Match with edge.
बेटा मैंने नहीं पूछा आपको थर्ड के लिए अभी. Now number 3, blue color rectangle and yellow circle. Combination of this is here.
Third is match with
So
edge.
write down third. Write down F over here. Now number 4, square and star. The correct combination of these two shapes is here option B. So for number 4, write down B. Stop typing in the chat box. Write down in your notebook, textbook only. Typing में अपना time waste मत कीजिए. Nobody is looking. Number 5, green rectangle and red color circle. Combination of these two shapes is in this figure. That is option C. Quickly write down for 5 numbers, option C. Number 6, yellow triangle and red circle. So here is the correct combination. Option D for number 6. Write down D. Number 7, again blue square and red color diamond. The correct combination is right here, option E. Write down option E here. Number 8, circle and square. So here we'll use A as the correct combination of figures. A for H1. Page number 29. Done. Page number 29 is done, everybody. Reply with yes or no.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So how many remaining beta? On which number you asked? Hasti Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
How many questions remaining, beta? Page number 29. How much remaining part? Beta, let me know so that I can help you, or let me know when you are done.
Don't,
Hasti
ma'am.
Patel, I am asking you something.
I don't know.
Beta, how many figures remaining in your page number 29, Hasti? Or is it done?
Which figure 2H is made of
Hasti Patel.
1 to 8.
Hasti Patel, stop. I asked you, is page number 21 you have done or not? Is it done now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Let's move to the next page. Page number 30, everyone. On your page number 30, we have some color figures. And if we want to continue the pattern, we need one more figure to put here. And that figures are given down here. So we'll choose the correct figure, the next correct figure from alphabetical orders, and we'll write down the correct answers here. So as of now, all of you will just write down the correct answer only. Okay? And whenever you are free, just draw the same figure, the next figure, here using your colors. Understood? Abhi koi nahi draw karenge. Right now we'll just write down the correct answer here. And later on, in your free time, just draw here the correct figures with using colors. Okay? Now first pattern, look carefully. First pattern, look carefully. Here is yellow and green, red and blue. Again yellow, green, red, blue, yellow, green. So next figure is having red and blue colors, right? So where is that figure? That is F, option F. So quickly write down F for number 1 pattern. Write down F here. F is the next figure for first pattern. Now number 2. Here yellow, green and blue. Red, purple and blue. Again yellow, green and blue. Red, purple and blue. So here the next figure that we'll choose is like this. So the same figure
Yeah,
is,
the purple and the blue.
yes, and that is option E. Okay?
Option E.
Which option? E. So write down option E here for number 2 pattern. Now number 3, the crosses, red and yellow, red and blue, red and yellow, red and blue. Again, यहाँ पर कौन सा फिगर आएगा? This one, having red and blue cross mark. So that is option A. Everyone please write down option A for 3 number pattern. Okay. Now let's see number 4. Red, green, yellow, blue, red, green, yellow, blue, red, green. So next figure will be having yellow and blue combination. So for number 4, option D is the correct one. Write down D here. And for number 5, let's find out. For number 5, which is the correct answer?
B.
Number
B.
Yes, very good. B. Very nice. Quickly write down B here. And for 6th one?
C.
C. Yes, very good. So write down C for number 6. Yes, beta, very good. Okay, page number 30 done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done,
Very good.
Ma'am, no done. I have only one question.
Yes, beta, which one?
Ma'am, I have only one question.
Yes, beta, which question remaining?
6th one.
6th one, correct answer is C. Okay, beta? Done now? Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, now everyone take out page number 31. Here we have given some figures, but one part of the figure is missing. So we'll choose the correct missing part given down here in alphabetical order. Ready? Let's start with the first one. Sorry, here is the first one. And I want for first one, who will give answer? Ayu Detroja. Ayu?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayu? Will you give answer for first one? Which is the missing figure?
E.
Yes, very nice. Correct answer. Option E. Quickly write down E over here in the answer part. Okay, very good, Ayu. Now look carefully to the second figure. And Daksh, Detharya? Daksh?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you give answer for second one?
Second one is matches with
A, beta. The correct answer is option A. Understood? Here you can see line and dot. Here also the same missing figures. Option A. For second one, write down option A here. Okay, Dhruva. Dhruva Vamja. Give answer for third figure. Yes, correct answer is C. Very good. Write down C for number 3. Very good, Dhruva. Hasti Patel. Hasti,
Yes, ma'am.
give answer for this one.
A. Answer A.
Wrong answer, beta. It's okay. Jignasa? Jignasa?
Yes,
Jignasa
ma'am.
Senapati? Beta, give answer for fourth one.
Fourth one is D.
D. Very good. Correct answer is option D. Very good, Jignasa.
Thank you, ma'am.
Quickly write down D for 4-number pattern. Next, Priyansh. Priyansh,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am is
find
saying
out.
the answer.
Priyansh,
The answer of the fifth one is F.
very good. Fifth one, correct answer is F. Everyone, please write down F over here for number 5. Now the last one, sixth one. Manasvi. Manasvi,
Yes, ma'am.
give answer for 6th number. Nitya Raj. Nitya, can you hear me, Nitya?
Yes, ma'am.
Nitya, give answer for 6th one, beta.
Sixth one. B. Ma'am.
Nitya Raj.
Sixth one B. Ma'am.
I am asking to Nitya.
Ma'am. Sixth one B.
Beta, Manasvi, stop yourself now. Yes, Nitya.
B.
Yes, very good. That is B. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alright, now page number 31 is done. Everyone, page number 31 done.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Alright, very good. Now let's move to the next page. Page number assignment 28, page number 32. Page number 32, everyone, please take out. And here we have to complete this square after finding out the correct missing figure given down here. Okay, the same thing that we have done in page number 31. Here is also we have to find out the correct missing figure for each. Okay, let's start with who's remaining. Nitya done. Shlok Sanja. Shlok Sanja.
Yes, ma'am.
Give answer for this one. First figure.
First E.
Yes, correct answer is option E. Everyone, please write down E over here in the given space. First one, correct answer is E. Very good. Okay. Dvij Kagatra.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, give answer for second figure.
Second is match with option D.
Option D. Yes, very good. Correct answer is D. Everyone, please write down here. Very good, Dvij. Okay, next, Ruhi Bloch. Ruhi. Ruhi, can you hear me, beta? Beta, give answer for third figure.
B.
Answer is option B. For third figure, correct answer is B. So quickly write down B in the given space. Now, are you Ditroja? Are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Give answer for fourth pattern. Missing figure.
Answer fourth pattern. मैम जो फर्स्ट है ना वो कौन मैम
वो फर्स्ट नहीं है.
मैम
What happened, बेटा?
मैम जो ऑप्शन लिखे हैं उसमें है ना सबसे फर्स्ट है ना वो आएगा. नहीं
बेटा आपके पास बुक है?
यस मैम.
So can't you see what is written down there? It's A, not first and second like. दिख नहीं रहा है, it's not an answer. You are having your own copy of book also. So number 4 pattern, correct missing figure is A. Everyone please write down A for number 4. Number 5 pattern, Dhruva, better give answer of this pattern.
Correct answer is F.
F, yes, F is the correct match, correct missing figure for number 5. Please write down F for number 5. Okay, now last one, 6th one, Harshi Patel. Harshi,
Yes, ma'am.
give answer
C,
for
ma'am.
6th. Yes, C. Yes, very good. Correct answer for number 6 pattern is C. Everyone please write down C beside 6 number box in the answer part. What happened, beta? What? Who's there? Ruhi. Ruhi, please mute yourself. Ruhi Bloch, mute yourself. Okay, now today we have done page number 29, page number 30, 31 and 32. So our chapter patterns is done here, right? Chapter 5 patterns we have completed today. Is there any doubt, questions or queries?
No doubt, ma'am. No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, homework is what?
No homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now today, since you are not having any homework in your aptitude subject, what will you do? You will revise chapter 5 patterns. Okay? Just look at the pages, look at each and every pattern properly, how we have find out the correct match, right? So एक बार अच्छे से पूरा chapter number 5 सबको revise करना है. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Now I have a question. Now that we have done our chapter 5, that is today, we are not moving ahead in aptitude as of now. So, I have one interesting game for all of you. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. What, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, very good. Now, I have a question. How many of you like mango? How many of you like mango?
Jignasa.
Very good.
So,
Okay.
Manasvi, I.
Very good.
Pritam.
Okay, very good.
Manasvi.
All right. So, since this beta Manasvi, once you have already given your answer. Okay. So now these many students already love mango time during summer season. Whenever mango season will come, I'll be coming to your house for a mango party. Right? Okay. Okay, Dvij. So we'll start with Dvij Kagatra. Enna Dvij?
Yes, ma'am.
Dvij will give me mango tree.
Allah Park Beach Bungalow. Street number 2.
Arre वाह. Thank you for the address. Arre वाह. Thank you so much, Dvij.
Welcome.
Okay, now how many of you like strawberries? How many of you like strawberries?
Yes.
Very good. Alright, so इस बार मुझे स्ट्रॉबेरी भी बाय नहीं करनी पड़ेंगी, right? Alright, so strawberries और mangoes दोनों मुझे मिल जाएंगे इस बार, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. और द्विज का एड्रेस तो मुझे याद
home.
अरे वाह. और द्विज का एड्रेस मुझे याद रह गया अच्छे से.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So sweet of you, Dvij.
Ma'am, I can speak my address.
Yes.
Mahavir Society, Rawapur Road, block number 1.
Very good. Sure, Dash. Will come to your place.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now how many of you like banana?
Ma'am, my banana fruit is very favorite. I like.
Very good.
I eat always at night.
At night. It's not good for you, beta.
Ma'am, I
Night
eat banana in morning.
Yes, in morning you can eat.
Banana evening में खाऊंगा. Banana is sweet and its color is yellow.
Thank you for the information. मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि बनाना येलो कलर का होता है. मुझे था कि वो व्हाइट कलर का होता है. है रूही?
Yes, ma'am.
बनाना येलो कलर का होता है मुझे अभी पता चला.
बाहर का येलो होता है और इनसाइड व्हाइट होता है.
ओके ओके. चलो तो बनाना, स्ट्रॉबेरी एंड मैंगो पार्टी डन है ना?
Orange also, ma'am.
अच्छा, ऑरेंज इज ऑल्सो. वेरी गुड. थैंक यू. ओके ओके. सो वी हैव अ फ्रूट सैलेड पार्टी है ना? सारे फ्रूट मिक्स करके फ्रूट सैलेड पार्टी कर देंगे हम लोग, है ना?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
ओके एवरीवन.
Okay, ma'am. Tuesday school से आना ही है हमको Tuesday school.
बेटा यू विल गेट मैसेज और आपके मैम आपको बता देंगे. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
ओके. बाय एवरीवन. हैव अ नाइस डे.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.